Hi guys, so I started by prepping my canvas with black paint and then I let it dry. So then I'm going to start with my background. I put down some purple and I think that's teal or something like that. Keep your paint here pretty wet. And hurry up on this part because you're going to have to do your clouds before this dries. Um, this is not Bob Ross. I work in acrylics, so unless you're using oils, um, you have to do all your blending when your paint is still wet. So here I'm just loading up a white or a fan brush with white paint and I'm doing my clouds. Here I'm just coming in with a dry brush and pulling the bottom of those clouds down a bit. I think in the end these clouds end up looking pretty cool. Here comes about 45 seconds of me just fussing with these clouds. Here I'm just moving the white paint around and just watch how hard you press on the brush. You kind of want to do this lightly, so you're just moving around the top layer. It's just pretend that didn't happen. Okay, more dry brushing. Here I'm just doing some silhouetted mountains. Here I'm just adding some snow to my mountains. Just bringing down the snow a little bit. A little bit of that same purple from the sky. So I got this paint for Christmas as a gift. It's like a clear, it says acrylic paint with like confetti, big confetti specks in it, and they're so sparkly. I've not used them before. It feels more like a poster paint, kind of. It's hard. It's right there. That's where I realized we're gonna do trees. Um, anyways, back to the shiny. I really end up liking it. I'm gonna do some more with it on the next painting. It's just kind of hard to maneuver around. It's got some big chunks in there, and at some point I am fussing with it too much and it starts to pick up some of that white paint. I just wanted it to maybe look like a really starry night, you know, with some clouds. And I do end up liking it, and once it dries it looks a whole lot better. Here I'm going to put in some trees. And I just loaded up that same fan brush with some black paint. And if you don't know how to do these trees, go back and watch one of my other videos that I have, and it shows you how to do a couple different kinds of trees. So check that out. I'm going to come in and just add some highlights. Like I said, after this dries, after your paint dries, it's not so reflective and the painting does look different. So I'm just adding some more sparkles. That's about it, guys. Try it, have fun, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And watch my other videos here and here.